A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is forging the inner sword to defeat ignorance. Ladies and gentlemen, every generation seeks progress in the outer world, in science, wealth, and discovery. Yet the truest progress begins within. For beneath all advancement lies a silent and timeless battle. The battle between ignorance and awareness. This conflict shapes every human life and collectively the destiny of humankind. The sword that wins it is not forged of metal but of mind, born of inquiry, tempered in silence, and sharpened by experience. It is the inner sword of discernment, created to cut through illusion and reveal the essence of truth. Ignorance is not the absence of information. It is the refusal to see. It hides behind certainty, comfort, and habit. The Bhagavad Gita calls it avidya, the blindness of the spirit to its own light. Neuroscience calls it the mind's bias to cling to the familiar and resist the unknown. Both describe the same wheel, one spiritual, one neural, that obscures perception until awareness pierces through. To forge the inner sword is to engage in a sacred science of transformation. Each moment of honest reflection becomes a strike upon the anvil of consciousness. The sword gains edge through truthfulness, balance through compassion, and radiance through humility. It is not a weapon to wound, but a light to reveal. For ignorance cannot be destroyed by attack. It dissolves in illumination. Modern physics now echoes ancient intuition. Observation changes reality. Consciousness participates in creation. The observer and the observed are intertwined in a dance of energy and awareness. Every thought leaves a subtle imprint upon the field of existence. Thus, forging the inner sword is not merely an act of self-improvement. It is conscious participation in the evolution of reality itself. Every human mind is a living forge. Electrical impulses in the brain form patterns that reflect one's clarity or confusion. Awareness refines these patterns into coherence. Ignorance scatters them into noise. Each act of mindfulness, therefore, becomes a quiet rewiring of destiny. The transformation of chaos into order, entropy into understanding. What's the way forward? To wield the inner sword is to live with awakened intelligence. It begins with the mastery of attention, to observe without judgment, to listen without assumption, to act without the fog of reaction. Knowledge informs the intellect. Wisdom transforms perception. The education of the future must evolve from accumulation to awakening, from filling the mind with facts to illuminating it with insight. Meditation, contemplation, or even moments of mindful silence are the flames that temper the blade. Within each individual lies the furnace of curiosity, the hammer of discipline, and the metal of experience. What one forges there becomes the quality of one's life and the measure of humanity's progress. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the journey to defeat ignorance is not a march toward superiority, but a return to clarity. When the inner sword is forged, the fog of confusion fades and life regains its harmony with the truth. The battle then ends, not in conquest, but in illumination. As Lord Krishna declares in the revered Bhagavad Gita, therefore, with the sword of knowledge, cut the shackles of doubt, born of ignorance, dwelling in your heart. Arise and stand in wisdom. In that rising, consciousness fulfills its highest purpose, transforming existence into understanding and understanding into light. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.